Hey, check. Well, it's another one.
Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. This is really funny, lessons learned, and sad in and at the same time. Now, a few days ago, I wouldn't even say weeks or months. A few days ago, I was so excited about the new spawn in which I got for my Mainganos. I got 5 live fries swimming, and you saw them. It was an impromptu video in which I wasn't really planning to do any video, and I did it. Right, you saw it. Right, so I got everything sorted out. I thought within myself that these fries needed to spend a little bit more time with their parents, just like how I have the convict cichlids, and they would spend at least a week or two with their fries, right? Okay, I did not do the maths, did not do my homework, did not do my research. So, and one of the reasons for that really is that my internet service was out, or else probably I would have found out. Okay, so what happened is that I placed both the parents and the fries in a container, saying that I would probably give them a week and then I would take them out and separate them, because I've actually gone to the pet shop and I saw fries actually swimming up and down with adults, right? After putting about the first 2, I saw them disappear, but I thought that the parents had them back in their mouth and all that. Then I placed in the remaining 3. When I returned, I only saw 1, so I saw, okay, come like the parents holding them, right? Alright, so I returned and I saw none. And I'm there waiting to see whether or not the babies will actually come back out of their mouth, sitting there, just to realize that they've actually consumed them. And after doing much reading, I discovered that after so many days doing more brooding, the female gets hungry, and as soon as she spits them out, between 24 to 48 hours, she'll actually consume them. And you saw how big they were, right? So between the female and the male, the fries were actually consumed. So what you're seeing here is they are back into their normal pond. I have placed a little bit more rock work there. I discovered that Mainganos, when breeding, they would release their fries, and their fries would go into rocky landscape, or should I say caves, caverns within the water system, and the fries would be out of harm's way. And then now I would need to provide a lot of food so that she could actually catch up on all those eating days in which she had missed. Now, Mainganos, should I say MBUNA, are opportunistic feeders, so therefore they release the fries. After releasing the fries, 24 to 48 hours, they don't remember nothing else about the fries. They just want something to eat. So the first thing they actually see that can hold in their mouth, they consume. And that was the fries. So, lessons learned, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that this video was interesting. I hope that you learned something too. I learned it the hard way, but they're back, and I figure more or less that they would spawn again, or should I say they would brood more fries. This time I'll be prepared to actually get them before they actually consume. Now I think my Demonsonis might be in action. I haven't seen them in a bit, so I'm going to be placing a little bit more rock work with them. Thank you very much for watching. Do have an awesome day. Right here. Bye bye.